What's up, AI enthusiasts? You're watching the AI Explorer, the channel that keeps you on the cutting edge of artificial intelligence. And today we're diving deep into a name that's been buzzing in the AI world, a model that's not just evolving, it's revolutionizing. Google's Gemini. Heard of AI, you've probably used AI, but Gemini is aiming to redefine what's possible. Forget everything you thought you knew, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why Gemini is a monumental leap forward and how it's poised to change everything from your daily tasks to the future of entire industries. We're talking about its incredible new features, real-world applications that will blow your mind, and what truly sets it apart from the AI crowd. So buckle up, because the AI future is now, and its name is Gemini. I'll always break it down. What is Gemini? At its core, Gemini isn't just another large language model. Google has engineered it from the ground up to be multimodal. Now, what does that buzzword actually mean? It means Gemini can understand, operate on, and combine different types of information seamlessly. We're talking text, code, audio, images, and even video. Think about it. You can show it an image and ask complex questions about it, have it analyze a video, or even generate code based on a visual prompt. This native multimodality is a game changer. For instance, imagine you're a developer stuck on a piece of code. You could show Gemini a diagram of your desired output, and it could help you write the corresponding Python or JavaScript. Or picture being a content creator, you could feed Gemini a script, and it could suggest visuals, generate placeholder images with its new Imagen 4 model, or even help you storyboard a video with its incredible VO3 video generation capability. We're seeing real-time video analysis and generation that's pushing boundaries. Now, let's talk about the different flavors of Gemini. Google has been strategic, releasing versions like Gemini Nano for on-display tasks, Gemini Pro for a wide range of tasks balancing performance and efficiency, and the powerhouse Gemini Ultra and the new Gemini 2.5 Pro, designed for highly complex reasoning and problem solving. One of the most significant advancements we've seen recently, especially with Gemini 2.5 Pro, is its massive context window. We're talking about the ability to process and remember vast amounts of information, up to 1 million tokens and even more in experimental versions. To put that in perspective, it's like an AI that can read and understand an entire book or hours of video footage or a massive code base all at once, and then reason across all that information. This allows for incredibly nuanced understanding and sophisticated outputs. Let me give you a concrete example. Researchers could feed Gemini 2.5 Pro hundreds of research papers, and it could synthesize novel insights, identify patterns, or even help draft new hypotheses. Businesses could use it to analyze lengthy financial reports alongside market trend videos to get deeper, more contextualized intelligence. The possibilities are staggering. And it doesn't stop there. Google is integrating Gemini across its ecosystem. You're seeing it in Workspace, in Android for a more intuitive mobile AI experience, with features like Gemini Live, where it can see what you see through your camera and offer real-time assistance, and even directly in Chrome for on-the-fly web page summarization and Q&A. So, what makes Gemini truly different from other AI models out there? Native multimodality from the ground up. Unlike some models that bolt on image or audio capabilities, Gemini was designed from its inception to be multimodal. This leads to a deeper, more integrated understanding across different data types, massive context window, and advanced reasoning. As we mentioned, the ability of models like Gemini 2.5 Pro to process and understand incredibly long stretches of information allows for unparalleled depth in its responses and problem solving, further enhanced by features like Deep Think for more complex reasoning, efficiency and scalability with mixture of experts. Some advanced Gemini models utilize an MOE architecture. Think of it as having a team of specialized AI experts. When you ask a question, the system routes it to the most relevant experts, making the model more efficient and capable of handling a wider range of tasks without becoming unwieldy. Seamless Google ecosystem integration. The deep integration into Google products means Gemini isn't just a standalone tool, it's becoming an intelligent layer across the services millions already use daily. This is huge for accessibility and practical application. Cutting-edge generative capabilities. With models like Imagen 4 for photorealistic image generation with better text rendering and VO3 for sophisticated video generation, Gemini is at the forefront of creative AI. Let's look at a few more exciting use cases that are now possible thanks to Gemini. Hyper-personalized education. Imagine a tutor that can understand your learning style not just from text, but by analyzing diagrams you draw or spoken questions, adapting explanations in real time. Accelerated scientific discovery. Scientists can use Gemini to sift through massive data sets, combining visual data from experiments with research papers and code simulations to find breakthroughs faster. Next generation content creation. From generating entire video scripts with accompanying visual suggestions and even draft video sequences to creating unique musical scores based on a mood or image, Gemini is empowering creators in unprecedented ways. Smarter, more proactive assistance. With Gemini Live and its ability to understand your screen and camera view, imagine an assistant that can guide you through a complex DIY project step by step, or help you navigate a new city by just pointing your phone. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Google emphasizes its commitment to developing AI responsibly, and as users and developers, it's crucial we remain aware of the ethical implications and potential biases in any AI system. But the potential for good, for innovation, and for genuine assistance in our lives is undeniable. So, what does this all mean for you? Gemini is more than just an update. It's a glimpse into a future where AI is a more intuitive, more powerful, and more integrated partner in our digital lives. Whether you're a developer, a creative, a student, a business professional, or just someone fascinated by the future of technology, Gemini is a development you need to be watching. What are your thoughts on Gemini? What potential applications excite you the most, or what concerns do you have? Drop your comments below. I read every single one, and I'd love to hear your perspective. If you found this breakdown valuable and want to stay ahead of the curve on all things AI, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the AI Explorer, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. We're constantly exploring the latest breakthroughs to keep you informed and empowered in this rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video as we continue to explore the future